Hello friends, good evening. My name is Devde. I am from Latur and I am recently completed my BE in Soni College, and today's date is 28 July and 2021, and today's video topic is multithreading in Java. And the first we can see the concept of the multithreading. The multithreading, it is a process to run the multiple threading into the simultaneously. Means the once time the multiple thread can be run into the each process. And see the simple concept of the multithreading, multiprocessing. The multithreading also used to the multiprocessing. Now, what is mean by multiprocessing? We can see we are play into the game. This game we can take a multiple function to the run the game. Means we can run left move, right move, and etc. Or it is also provide to the multiple threads. It will be run into simultaneously and give the output it to the particular to where required. Means each and every process into the computer and into the mobile we can create the by using the threads. This thread will be run in properly. We can use to the create the multi-threading process. And the multiprocessing also depend on to the two. It will be achieved into the two process. Means by using the process by using the process we can achieve the multi processing, and then we can secondly assign by using the thread we can assign the multiprocessing. We can see the concept of by using the process we can achieve the multiprocessing. The multiprocessing we can achieve by using the process. It is a multiple thread are done one by one into the execute the this process, and this will be required. Each process will be acquired to the each own memory. Means one process will be required his own separate memory into the create into the JVM, and it will be create in the each and every one to the each own memory. It is very difficult, and it will be very costly. And other to the it will be run into the create one by one process, and then it will be create his location, and it will be it complete the run time process, and then it will be assign his own location and the update location. It will be require more time. That's the reason the process based multi processing are not useful into the multiprocessing. And then the second concept of the thread based multiprocessing, it is a thread are also acquired into same memory. Means the one thread will be created the same one memory into the JVM. It will be all these thread acquire the same memory location, and it will be run separately. Then it will be created by using thread multiprocessing. It will be very simple, and it will be thread are independent. Means each thread are run independently. Then any thread will be occur into the any exception. It will be only this thread are stop run, and other thread are run. We then see the concept of the thread. What is mean by threads? The thread is the smallest part of the process, means it is a sub process. We can see the example of this. The many in the operating system, various types of process are run. This process by using to the in this process are multiple thread are used. Then see the thread 1 process 1 we can assign the thread 1, thread 2, thread 4 as a multiple. Then the second process will be assigned same, then thread 1, thread 2, and then the process 3 we can assign the thread 1, thread 2, thread 4, thread 5. It will be a different thread are used into the different process. By using this we can achieve the speed, and it will be faster as compared to the process, and it will be save the cost. It is a save the cost, and it will be save the cost means it will be does not acquire the more memory as compared to the process. Means it will be once assign the memory, it will be create multiple thread into the same memory location. It will be too easy to store and easy to handle. Then the second example of the thread, about the thread are independent, means the thread are it is run separately one by one, and then it will be run in case we can occur any occur the error into the one thread and other thread. It will be only once this thread are stop etc execution and other thread are run. Why we use the multi-threading? The multi-threading are also useful into the your operating system, means we can assign a computer, we can multiple tabs are open into one time, and it will be we can assign we can run it will be simultaneously, and it will be accessed anytime we can use by the multi-threading, and it will be very simple to the way to the multi-threading by using the multi-threading. And then the see the concept of the thread class. What is mean by thread class? The thread class we can assign into the Java. This thread class we can by using created thread class we can create the multi-threading process into the thread class. It will be supported to the multi-threading, and then we can see the various method into the multi-threading. We can first see the run method. This run method can provide to the allocate to the allocate to run, and then it will be provide to instruction to the run the method, and then other we can use to the second method to the start. This start method will can execute the method, and then the third is a set priority. This will be achieve the any thread into the like example we can create in Amazon company. This will be various types of priority will be provided into the various types of thread, like money based transaction which will be provided priority is 10, and then the other surfing based we can provide a second priority is 5. It will be depend on these requirements, and it will be provide the priority with first thread will be run, and it will be completed this process into the by using this priority method. And get priority means it will be get priority method using we can run the first this thread will be provide maximum priority in this multi-threading. In the multi-threading we can assign the minimum priority is 1 and the maximum priority is 10. And then the yield method. The what is the use of the yield method? This yield method we can use the two thread are run at a time. This time the two thread it is a once is a more important than the second, and then it will be provide to the yield method the first thread, and the second thread does not provide the yield method, and then the two thread are come at a time. This will be yield method are stop some time to the execute the first thread and then the yield by provided the yield method thread this will be execute, means it will be provide the some delay executing after the first thread. And then the second is a thread dot sleep method. This thread dot sleep method we can use the provide the some delay into the each execution by using we can changes are provided into the thread dot sleep method, this delay will be increasing and decreasing. It is a in our requirements. And then the second is used method to the synchronization. This synchronization method we can create into the multi-threading. We can achieve the synchronization into the multi-threading. And then the second is a runnable method, then the yield, joints, and then the multifer methods are used into the multi-threading. This will be the method using we can achieve the multi-threading. So my side is done. So thank you and take care.